Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to compare multiple design versions using artboards in Photoshop. I start by creating a new document with artboards enabled. I stop for a second. Comparison brings clarity. I design the first version of my layout on one artboard. Then I duplicate it and create version 2 with slight changes. Another duplicate becomes version 3. I gently stretch the word choices as I speak, because this is where creativity grows. I align all artboards side by side and zoom out. There is a deep silence here. My eyes move slowly across versions, noticing balance, contrast, and emotion. Artboards allow me to judge designs objectively without